Hey y'all, Popo here. We made it down here to our campsite last night. Yesterday evening. Got everything set up. Didn't have time to go launch the boat before it got dark, so I didn't get to do no night fishing. Got up this morning, went and launched the boat. Owning a boat is fun. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Alright, this is my tilt and trim switch. It's what raises my motor up and down. It's not there anymore. Right after I put the boat in the water, the switch broke. So I was trimmed up high. I decided it was time to run the boat out a little bit, see if we could blow the cobwebs out of it. Well, lo and behold, that bolt right there that does not have a nut on it anymore is my throttle. The nut backed out. I cannot find it nowhere, and I was stuck at a quarter throttle. Luckily enough, I was able to get it started back, or get it back to the bank. I beached it where I was going to beach it at. We're here at the campsite. So, I guess Fix It with Pawpaw is going to get to make an appearance. So yes, Fix It with Pawpaw is going to get to make an appearance. Got to fix tilt and trim. We got to fix the throttle. Hopefully that'll be the last thing we have to fix on this trip. So, well, I'm going to go buy some parts. We'll see y'all in a bit. Alright, here we are. Bare necessities as far as tools. Let's get this cover off so we can get in there and see all them birds. Go up in there, see if we can fish her out. There she is. Yeah, forgot that I done jerry rig at one time. Pull a new switch out. Might have brought the wrong switch. Ah, I did buy the wrong switch. Ah, what do we do here? What do we do here? We're gonna do it redneck way. One, we're gonna crimp this off, loosen it up, pull it off. Multi-tools always come in handy. Don't ever cut yourself short thinking, oh, multi-tool, they're outdated. Nobody uses them anymore. I use them every day. Hey y'all, we just figured this one out. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna get a couple pieces of this heat shrink up here that I know I just saw There it is right there. We're going to put the heat shrink on there. I'm going to feed our wire back through. And we're going to push our heat shrink up. And push it on just like that. We're going to pull our handy dandy lighter out of our pocket. We're going to shrink it up. Then we're going to go on to the next one. Y'all, I keep forgetting I got a head camera on. So if some of this y'all can't see, I promise you, I'll try and do better next time. So we're going to slide our heat shrink on. We're going to stick our wire through. We're going to bend it up tight. I know I could have done it further back and twisted it, but once this heat shrink grabs a hold, it ain't going nowhere. We're going to slide our heat shrink on there. Sure wish the wind would blow just a little bit more. Alright, wire number 2. Now on to wire number 3. I just poked my finger with that wire. Sure felt good, kind of tickled a little bit. Alright, that is on there. There goes my pliers again. Up, down. Now on to the next job. See if we can't figure out this linkage. See if we got a nut that'll fit it. Alright, let's try this one. Let's try this one. Reach down here and rescue my pump that I forgot was in there. All right. Let's see what happens, shall we? Prop still in the water. Guess it's good. It's good. It's good. You know, probably wasn't hard to find tight at first, would it? All right, now let's see what happens. All right, y'all. Well, we fixed it. Tilt and trim works. Throttle works. The motor wasn't peeing like it was supposed to. Just ended up being a stop tube. We got that fixed real quick. I don't know if I got it on video. If I didn't, I'm so sorry. But I'm hot. I'm tired. I want to fish. But I still got work to do. So y'all have a good one, and we'll see you next time.